Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope all of you are doing very well. Today I am here to talk about some new topics, some important points. So let's have a look, students. Please open page number 18 in your students' book. Today's topic is Learn Words, which is from our chapter 1. In Learn Words, we can learn new words, improve our vocab, our language, our knowledge. So let's have a look on our exercise A, that what is in it. How many words can you think of related to forest? I'm repeating again. How many words can you think of related to forest? ऐसे कितने वर्ड्स हैं जो आपके माइंड में आते हैं related to forest? Work with your partner and complete the mind map. अपने पार्टनर के साथ वर्क करें एंड कंप्लीट करें इस माइंड मैप को. So students, I have made a small chart for you. In the middle there is forest, and these are 5 words which came in my mind related to forest. I am explaining one by one. So here is our first word, animals, मतलब जानवर. Second one is trees, मतलब पेड़. Third one is firewood, मतलब जलाऊ लकड़ियाँ, which we can use for many purposes. Number 3, bushes, झाड़ियाँ. Number 5, grass, मतलब घास. So these are the 5 words which came in my mind related to forest. I'm repeating again: animals, trees, firewood, bushes and grass. Now, okay students, let's move on our next topic. Our next topic is types of trees, पेड़ों के प्रकार. Our first type is banyan tree. Banyan tree को क्या बोलते हैं हम? बरगद का पेड़. Okay, a huge tree which may spread over a large area. Its branches send out shoots that grow towards the ground. Means banyan tree is a huge tree which spread over a large area, and its branches spread out towards the ground. It's very easy. Okay, you can see the banyan tree near about your house. Moving on, our next tree, which is Gulmohar tree. Gulmohar tree is known as flame tree also. It contains red flowers, beautiful red flowers. Tree is covered in full bloom between months of April and June. अप्रैल एंड जून के महीने में जो गुलमोहर का पेड़ होता है वो पूरी तरीके से खिला हुआ होता है. एंड दिस ट्री इज़ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल लुक वाइज. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, मूविंग ऑन आवर नेक्स्ट ट्री विच इज़ नीम. This tree is very common, which can see in our surrounding. Neem tree is evergreen tree that grows very fast. So this is a kind of tree which grows very fast. Its parts are used for medical purposes. जो नीम के हिस्से होते हैं, पार्ट्स होते हैं, उनका हम यूज़ करते हैं मेडिकल पर्पसेस के लिए, मेडिसिन्स के लिए, स्पेशली इन स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स. Especially we can use in skincare products. So it is very useful tree for human being. Let's moving on our next tree which is sandalwood. Sandalwood को हिंदी में चंदन का पेड़ कहा जाता है. This tree is known for its sweet fragrance. I'm repeating again. This tree is known for its sweet fragrance. यह पेड़ जाना जाता है इसकी सुगंध के लिए. Yellowish in color, this tree is yellow in color. The tree bears tiny dark red flowers. The tree bears tiny dark red flowers. So moving on our last tree, which is coconut tree. It grows along the coastal areas. Coconut tree grows along the coastal areas. Leaves and fruits of tree grow at the top. लीव्स एंड जो फ्रूट्स होते हैं वो उगते हैं इस ट्री के टॉप पे यानी कि सबसे ऊपर. एंड गिव्स एन अपीयरेंस ऑफ अम्ब्रेला, और हमें अपीयरेंस देते हैं लाइक एन अम्ब्रेला. जैसे कि अम्ब्रेला से हमें छाया मिलती है, उसी तरह इस पेड़ के नीचे खड़े होने से हमें क्या मिलती है? छाया मिलती है. Okay students, now we have completed our this session and I hope you students understand. So let's have a look. These are the 5 words related to forest, types of trees. I'm repeating again: banyan tree, gulmohar tree, neem tree, sandalwood tree and coconut tree. Okay students, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.